Hi again, everyone. Amy from Dayton Nursery here again. This is your weekly update for Saturday, July 6, 2019. There isn't much going on at the nursery this time of year except a few small projects. One thing we did do is decorate for the upcoming Blueberry Festival. We probably planted hundreds and hundreds of different flowering plants around the parking lot and up by the road. I will talk about the Blueberry Festival later. And I also would like to take you into the greenhouse to show you what's new in there. Another new thing we've done this year is a second crop of annual production, including hanging baskets, geraniums, and annual salvia. We have brought those up to the greenhouse for you. They are full price. They are not included in our annual 50% off sale, but they will be here for you all summer in case you need to replenish. As many of you may already know, June is perennial gardening month, and I am here to declare today as July being Hydrangea month. They come into bloom now. There's so many different types and varieties, and you've had so many questions about them. Each week I will tackle a different topic in hydrangeas, which includes the groups, pruning, growing, fertilizing, changing their flower color, etc. And this week I'm going to start with the panicle hydrangeas, also known as Hydrangea paniculata. They are by far my favorite group for one reason and one reason only, because they bloom each and every year no matter what you do. I'm sure many of you have the old-fashioned hydrangeas. If you get a late frost or freeze, the buds are gone and you have no flowers. But these are tried and true. They will bloom each and every year for you. They also will tolerate drier soil where many other hydrangeas will not. And this hydrangea group will also tolerate full sun to part shade, where many of the other, like macrophylla, the big flower types, as soon as they get full sun in the afternoon, they just droop. But these paniculata types will not do that. They will flourish in full sun as well. Behind me is the new Firelight Hydrangea, which is the proven winner's hydrangea of the year. It grows about 5 to 6 feet tall with these pretty white flowers here in the summer, then they will fade to a reddish color. Hydrangeas come in many different sizes and shapes. This one is a 5 to 6 foot grower, whereas the taller Limelight can get up to 8 feet tall. I have one of those and it is 8 feet tall. And our most popular hydrangea, Bobo, only gets to about 2 to 3 foot tall. So there is a hydrangea for every aspect of any landscape. Another great thing about this panicle group of hydrangeas is they are very commonly found in tree form, which you can see behind me. This variety is called Quickfire. I have one at home in shrub form and it attracts pollinators like crazy, so I love it for that reason alone. These are very nice for the landscape. They can go right at the corner of your house or in the middle of a garden bed. They can grow in sun to part shade, well-drained soil is best, and they're great for just about any landscape. And getting back to the Blueberry Festival, we're just a few short weeks away. That is on Saturday, July 20th. It's from 10 to 4. We will have hay rides, pretty much everything blueberry, blueberry pie, blueberry soda, fresh blueberries. We will have a bounce house. We will have samples in the market. We will have live musicians. And we will also be meeting and greeting with your favorite Toy Story characters as well. So if you're looking for more information on that, just head over to our website. I want to thank everyone for tuning in again this week. Just as a reminder, if you're having any issues with your plants, feel free to send us a picture to info@daytonnursery.com or bring in a sample so we can help you remedy the problem before it gets out of hand. All right, we'll see you guys next week. Thanks for tuning in.